Hello, welcome back to CottageKate. For today's video, we're going to crochet this for Petal Puffy Daisy that I use for this my melody mask. I use number 4 or number 3 yarn and a 3.5mm hook. Start with a magic loop. Then make one single crochet. Stack a single crochet by pulling a loop from this stitch. Then pull yarn through both loops on your hook. Now make a 2. Double crochet decrease. Yarn over and pull yarn from the magic loop. Then pull through just 2 loops on your hook. Again yarn over and pull yarn from the magic loop. Then pull through just 2 loops. Lastly, pull yarn through all 3 loops on your hook to decrease. Repeat this 2. Double crochet decrease 2 more times. Now weave May 4 main stitches for each petal. Take note of the numbering for each stitch. Next, close your magic loop. Instead of closing with a slip stitch, this is where we switch colors. Place your hook through stitch 1. Make a slip knot with the new yarn color and pull that slip knot through. Now, we're going to start making the first petal. Chain 3. Make a cluster of 5 double crochets into stitch 1 to make a petal. Yarn over and pull yarn from stitch 1. Then pull yarn through just 2 loops on your hook. Repeat this 4 more times, only on stitch 1. You should have 6 loops total on your hook. Pull yarn through all 6 loops. Tug on that yarn to puff up the cluster and chain 3. Slip stitch back into stitch 1. This finishes the first puffy petal. Now chain 3. And start another cluster of 5 double crochets into stitch 2. Chain 3 and slip stitch back into stitch 2 to complete petal 2. Again, for the third petal, chain 3 and make a cluster of 5 double crochets into stitch 3. Chain 3 and slip stitch back into stitch 3. Fourth and last petal, chain 3. and make a cluster of 5 double crochets into stitch 4. Chain 3 and slip stitch back into stitch 4. Chain 1 to finish, and cut leaving about 6 inches of yarn for sewing later. Stuff any loose yarn into the puff in the middle. And that's how you make an easy puffy 4-petal daisy. Add it to any project, like I did with this my melody mask for 10cm dolls. Check out the tutorials for these matching masks for Kuromi and my melody, or maybe check out other doll clothes like this easy crochet overalls too. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and maybe subscribe to see even more. See you on the next one.